fair by weight has been organized by House of Wisdom. And House of Wisdom has been in the field of education, reading, and books for the last many years. We have had many exhibitions, such workshops to inculcate the reading habit, especially among children, because we see there is a decline in reading among students, youths, children, everybody. And when we see that other parts of India, there is a lot of reading culture, reading habits, but we do not see that in Goa. So we decided that we'll bring this unique concept, because this is a concept that we are selling books by weight. Anybody can buy and they can purchase books by weight. So we thought that since Goa has not had this type of event in the past, we thought this will be a unique event where anybody can come and buy books in large numbers. We have had schools who have come here, libraries who have come here, and they have taken a lot of books with them.